Sir, wala po ba talagang pampatubo ng buhok? Comment from Yobads. What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So this is our topic, hair building fiber plus the hair applicator that we are using sa hair natin. So again, this is just our short-term solution and mas lalo nang hindi siya hair regrowth. As of the moment, Sir Yobads, may mga nagtatap sa atin ng brands na mga nakita na yung content natin, yung nag-viral na content natin. We are just finalizing the memorandum of agreement, ano yung mga inclusion, ano yung exclusion, since medyo long journey yon. And of course, we want to have our hair back, no? So, gusto ko rin naman gumamit ng regrowth hair. We're just discussing sa mga brands kung sino yung pinaka-best offer. Syempre, para isa lang yung gagamitin natin for the whole journey. So, we're just checking yung options and the same time, yung reviews na rin ng other content creators, yung mga tumubo na yung buhok. So, naghahanap lang tayo ng best deal, the best product, and the best reviews. Of course, sino ba naman hindi gustong tumubo ang buhok ulit, no? Ayaw ko naman na forever ako mag-topic hair building fiber. Mas mainam pa rin if ma-regrow ko yung hair ko. And siguro kung sakaling may mga spot na talagang manipis pa rin, tsaka ko lang gagamitin yung topic. So just stay tuned on our FYP para makita ninyo, sir, once na nag-agree na kami sa isang brand and ma-start na natin yung journey natin. Of course, that is exciting kasi talagang gusto ko tumubo to. But again, for now, topic muna ang gagamitin natin.